Are you an auto repair shop owner looking to supercharge your business and streamline your front desk? Well, get ready to meet your new secret weapon, LeadingLocal. At LeadingLocal, we've harnessed the power of AI to transform the way auto repair shops operate. With LeadingLocal's cutting-edge AI technology, you can automate your customer communication and keep track of important customer information, all in one place.
The fact that it automates the replies to them, it gets me so much more information right off the bat, to where I'm not having to go back and forth with them and leave another voicemail and wait for them to call back. So many people nowadays are so apt for texting anyways. It's more direct information for you faster. It saves so much time on the phone.
Whether it's handling missed calls, organizing customer conversations, or sending automated text messages, LeadingLocal's AI-powered platform does it all, saving you time and boosting efficiency.
He thought it was me responding. Because he's like, oh man, I didn't see this one. Oh, Jason responded. Oh, Jason responded. Oh, Jason responded. He's like, wait. He comes and asks me, he's like, hey, did you talk to someone? I was like, who? He's like, no way, the bot's that good? I was like, apparently. We both read through it. We're like, yeah, the bot's that good. This is awesome. And they probably assumed that they were talking to either Chris or me too.
Right.
Again, it got all of that information for us. What was wrong with their car, their license plate, VIN number, their email, their contact information, and all of that. And it's documented so you can't lose it. Then I can, before I even actually call them, I build a quote, I get them an estimate for what they need, and I look at my schedule. It's one phone call.
So why spend precious hours on mundane tasks when LeadingLocal can do it for you? Embrace the future of auto repair with LeadingLocal's AI solutions. Visit our website where you can try our live demo and discover how LeadingLocal can revolutionize your auto repair shop.